natin WE Glock 34 Gen 4. Shoutout kay Sir Kaloy. So naka metal slide na siya, and then polymer yung lower frame with 34 tactical markings. So naka non-slip na grip. Gen 4 siya, and then threaded outer barrel with under rail for accessory attachment. So metal na rin yung outer barrel. And then ang price niya is 6.5 less 500 for our Christmas promo. Then out of the box may kasama na rin siyang grip extenders. Chrono check. 387 taas 383. For more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi PH.